Hi guys, sorry for the messy state that I'm in. I am rushing to get dinner done and well, I just threw on the tooth because my hair is a mess. But as I was making dinner, a thought popped in my head and I just want to get it. I would get the message to you before I forget it. So I apologize for the rush and for the state I'm in. But anyway, I was just thinking as I'm making dinner, thinking about myself. I'm someone who always like to learn more as much as I can about the things that I'm interested in. And as you know, a lot of you may be a part of my Wormpreneur community, or you've taken my course, or maybe you simply follow the worm farming group, the worm farming business group on Facebook or on YouTube. And one of the things that popped into my mind is the challenges that we face sometimes. You may have taken my course, or you're part of the Wormpreneur community or the worm farming entrepreneur group, and you're gaining this knowledge and you're excited. You're thinking, yes, my business is going to take off now. And as you gain the knowledge, you are running ahead like a bull in a ring, chasing after its target. You're fully motivated and you're convinced that yes, this is it. You have all the information you need. But then there are times when you're running, you're putting in full 100. And then you ask yourself, what's happening? I'm putting in everything, but I'm not seeing any progress. Other times you might be beating yourself up thinking, oh, I can't believe I let another day pass and I didn't do anything on my worm farming business. Or you might be running ahead. You're doing everything that you're applying, everything that you have learned, and you're seeing progress and you're excited. Yes, I did it. Or maybe if you're like me, that little song that little phrase that Cusco in Emperor's New Groove liked to use. Look at me in my bad self. Maybe you've accomplished something, maybe more than you anticipated for the week or for the day, or maybe you've reached a goal that you've set, and that's the phrase that pops into your head. But let me just be honest with you. Yes, you may have the strategy, you may have the support, but like everything else you do in life, learning to walk, it is a step-by-step process. And sometimes you're going to see where you're just making this big progress. Sometimes you're going to be like, oh, why am I at a standstill? I'm doing everything. There are times when you're not going to be doing what you're supposed to be doing. But that is life. This is all a part of life. So embrace it. Just know that whatever it is that you're doing, it takes time. It takes patience. So no matter how much skill you have, it doesn't matter how much strategy you have, it doesn't matter how much support you have, there are going to be highs and lows. Everything is going to take time. It's going to take patience. So don't give up. Keep going because you've got this.